Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix the issue when your JBL Xtreme 3 it's not turning off. So the first thing that you can do is just let it drain out. So many people reported is that when they let it drain out, it just like repaired by itself and it worked normally. So this is the first thing. The second thing that you can try, maybe it's going to work out. So what you want to do is you want to have, when you have it turned on, press the play button, the volume plus button at the same time for about 10 seconds. This is going to perform a soft reset. So this is the first thing. Or the second thing that you can try to do is to press the play button, plus button, and the minus button at the same time. And this is how we're going to perform a hard reset for the JBL Xtreme 3. So these are the things that you can do. And let me down below in the comments if it actually helped you with your issue. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.